He was inspired by a trip to Italy. He did love a trip, didn't he? Loved to be inspired by a trip, Felix. I think maybe it was a ruse. We could claim his holiday costs. Must get writing my Caribbean symphony immediately. Anyway, where was I? Yes, he was inspired by a trip to Italy. He composed it with all commensurate happiness and vigour, premiered it to great acclaim, but then, for baffling reasons no one's quite got to the bottom of, spent the rest of his life hating it. He was constantly attempting to revise it, and in the end he refused to have it performed again in Germany in his lifetime. I wonder if we'll ever discover what it was. Well, it sounds pretty perfect to me. Here is the finale of Mendelssohn's Symphony No. 4, the Italian.
Piana sotto